Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well, and today I'm joining you in my big fat coat because we are going to a Christmas market. I think I might vlog over the weekend because we do have quite a festive weekend planned if it goes to plan. We're going to Chatsworth Christmas Market today, and then I feel like it's a bit early, possibly putting the Christmas tree up tomorrow. So we shall see. I am running late. Alex is waiting for me, as per usual, but thought I'd show you my outfit, which I'm not really feeling. I probably look a lot more put together than I feel right now. Time of the month, I'm in pain. Barber scarf on, my very old misguided fur coat. These jeans feel like they don't go, but I am gonna wear my UGG Tasman things. This literal whole outfit is just planned around the fact that I want to wear my UGG hoofs. Come along with me. I really want a coffee. I'm dying for a coffee. So yeah, hope you enjoy. And just like that, I am home and looking half dead. My skin is just ridiculous at the minute. We have had a very festive day today. I am feeling a little more Christmassy. Definitely recommend a trip to the pub that we went to. The Devonshire Arms, I believe it was. Yeah, I'm just so tired. And Alex wants to watch Harry Potter, which I refuse. I look like death warmed up. I really do. We literally did not buy anything at all apart from a Bailey's hot chocolate. Alex got a couple of bits, but the price they charge at these Christmas markets is just ridiculous. They hike the price up by like twice. It's silly. So I cannot justify it. So it's now the weekend after we went to Chatsworth, because on the Sunday, what did we even do? Can't tell you what we did, but it wasn't festive and wasn't worth filming. I honestly can't remember what we did. But anyway, you can probably see this weather. A few days ago, we had like some places it must have been like at least like 8-9 inches of snow. And now, and I've just got my nails done. I don't know if you're able to see, they're all like brown and glittery. Not the most festive nails, but I seen this colour, I thought, you know what, that's cute. What was I gonna say? I've just come out of my nail appointment and almost fell over. You know, in like cartoons where they're kicking the legs and they go nowhere. That's what I was doing. That's embarrassing. Thought I would pick up the camera today just in case we do put the Christmas tree up. I mean, there's nothing else to do. I did want to go to another Christmas market because it's literally like 2 minutes from us. But the rain, that's not giving outside Christmas market. I feel like I do just need to get the tree out, get everything prepared. I do need to do a bit of cleaning before, so I'm going to have to do that. And then can put the stuff up because I just don't know what I've got. Like, I'm going shopping and I can't buy anything because I actually can't remember what I have. But yeah, I'm excited to see. Oh my god, those pampas grass, what the hell is going on? They need to be binned. It is an extremely rainy day. Apparently it's Storm Bert. So thanks Bert, thanks for this. I've been cleaning the house for about 2 hours now. I bought this from Aldi the other week because I love anything like Christmas scented, you know, like the cinnamon, absolutely love it. This smells amazing. You need to buy this. It's like the most Christmassy scent I've ever smelled. So the whole house smells of this now, and I cannot tell you how good it smells. It doesn't fit. It don't fit, Alex. It doesn't fit. Take it out. Take it out. No, Alex, no.
Why?
It doesn't fit. Can't we make this smaller or something? Oh wait. Oh no! Tree skirt don't fit.
We just have to make it look bigger at the back. You probably won't notice it.
What?
As long as the front bit is down, that's the main thing.
You're joking, no?
Well, just rest. You could just rest it on top, couldn't you?
No, because you'll see the... What, like that?
Yeah.
No.
Horrific, is it?
Yeah.
You're not even going to
You
see.
can tell a mile off that I'm not on the ground, Alex.
You're not going to be able to see the back of it.
We're going to have to cut the back.
I wouldn't say that looks ridiculous.
Oh no, Alex, just when you sat on the sofa, you can see the legs poking out at the bottom. The tree skirt don't fit.
Oh, there's a hole there.
It's not pulled out, is it?
Hi. Hello.
How's that? Oh, did I fold it over last year? Sorry. I'll be as quick as I can. It's not heavy one. I cannot believe I forgot about this Christmas cushion. I got it in the sales in January from Homebase. I was literally gonna buy it last week and it was £12, but I bought it for £5 apparently. I cannot remember buying this. So cute. I need to sort the rest of the cushions out, but I just had to express my excitement for this. This one is definitely gonna be a love or hate it. I personally love it. It's given like traditional old school Christmas. I'm just not a fan of the boring decorations nowadays, you know, like the pure neutrals and stuff. This is just so cute. I just love it. It's very nostalgic. So these two together are giving like tacky but cute.